go, Rain!
Game versus Papa Smurf. We are polling.
Yeah, Rain!
If anybody needs bug spray,
Lenny
there's some in my
started
bag.
with it.
Waffles all the way, waffles all the way, waffles!
Waffles, waffles, left, left! That's not our call from the sideline. I'm not disagreeing at all, but... Thomas, under, Thomas. Jake, under.
Waffles, waffles. Yeah, waffles. Yeah,
He has matured really nicely with that. Waffles, on the other hand, has not.
Oh!
How'd that get scored? You score how you want.
Luke's looking, Luke's looking, Luke's looking. Keep him there, keep him there.
Jake, bid time, Jake.
Stay there, Jake, stay. Go in, Zane, close down, Zane, go!
Zane, get that Callahan next time. And please, take that away.
Jake, up! And they're looking.
Abby coming under. Thomas, tight, Thomas.
Let's go! TJ, go!
Why are we not throwing two people?
You're only about 15 yards out of the end zone. No, he was still in. No. Luke's is only 15 yards out of the end. Yeah.
Right, like just put that out flat to space. He's got 20 yards on the nearest guy.
Yeah, they got me too. I don't remember. Yeah, the line's not midfield.
It's shorter. Well, I got here, to be fair, I got here in like the middle.
Trust your catch up, Ann.
Jake, take the under. Let's go, Rain, let's get it back.
Abby.
Jake, up!
Jake, trust your catch up. Lubes. Thomas over top. You're good. And big time. And in the lane. Stay in the lane.
Yeah, Abby.
Thomas. And tight. Good, Ann. Good adjustment. Lubes, it's coming. Waffles! You're fine. That's fine. Hey, doing bud?
Yep, they are.
Hey, you want to see? Cecily, you want to see?
Oh, yeah, I see it too. Oh, yeah, that's how you know you dropped the Yeah, it's still not fun. I don't think we're playing well. Here we go, Bill. Should I be prioritizing no round or no high left? It's a little bit different than last game in terms of how we want to shape the mark. Less of an emphasis on the no round. In that situation, right, with a straight up mark, the throw, upfield throw to your guy is more fast. So I wanted you to take away anything or make, yes, if he catches it, he's in a good position, but it's good more difficult. You know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah. Get it with the mark by throwing that upfield. So I just wanted you.
Oh, this is a smart way to avoid the tie. Just hold its pole forever.
Figured it out, guys.
What?
It's not no rounds this way. That way
We should still do that anyway, but
I can see the disc coming.
that hasn't been communicated as a instruction to the whole team.
Let's go, Blue. Nice pull, Mark. Otherwise, I mean, there's nothing wrong with like.
Space this out more. Oh my God, he didn't throw that?
For as good as our handler coach, we target an awful lot.
Yes, because we're good but not disciplined.
And pressure everything.
I guess it's fair.
So I don't expect you to be able to like shut down or force them out. Both sides, like both in and out.
Why are we throwing that?
Nice, Zane!
Nice, Zane.
Gazi.
Nice catch, Amanda!
Gazi, go get the disc. Gazi.
Hey, no round. It's only one. Seal.
Well,
Nice.
lots of time to catch up.
Outside.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, Rain. There you go, Will. Yeah, Rain. Good.
Yeah.
There we go, Blue.
Lost by 2 to Alcrane. No, I think actually we did. But.
So then it basically, all the standings are everybody, or it's all just separate.
Right, yeah, because you guys have the 1 point win over down.
Literally right when you're
And a 1 point win over the far side.
You just stopped thinking about the first side.
Oh, the second time. It's going to be all confusing and fun.
That makes it more fun though.
Yeah. Well, but it's
Well, then the playoffs are more
four
fun
is
now, right?
top 4 is split so far.
That's a lot.
Right, like
Parody!
What is the bottom team?
or not the bottom team, I mean the first team out of the playoff right now.
Yeah.
Like 1 and 5 or something.
What's up, buddy? Who's that?
I think that's the Game of Zones one. Game of Zones, Baby Legs, whatever they switched that way. So we had, going into this weekend, we had 4 games on the Sunday. We have 4 games left.
Right. I had to make sure.
It was fun to
I
play.
think I had the height. Just had to make sure.
they're white!
Was that a close game?
That was curving that way even if you were.
Yeah. They have enough. That's amazing.
They're actually.
No wins, no wins! Turn, let's use it, Ray!
Randomly. Pick it up fast, Chris! Stack! Stack!
Stack!
There we go, Ray!
How do you catch that one, Lou?
Yeah, they can play.
Sideline.
Yeah, they have like a top 4.
Lubes.
Yes.
But then they also.
Good job, White.
I marked Ad as a drop.
Or, yeah, it's like in the middle of his like 7
Why?
Because I.
Who's this?
Did she score?
Oh my.
Do you not know how to fix that?
No.
Hit undo
Hit
last,
undo.
red button.
It was funny. This person guy on the field.
We're
called-
on camera here, by the way.
I'm not gonna say names.
No, yeah. People do watch our.
It's a pretty big swing in the stat line. Putting a drop instead of a score.
You sure?
Yeah.
What if I already put 6 drops on you this
I
week?
didn't say they were cheating, I just said we had to call over their fouls.
Well, I would know.
You sure?
What is her name? Emily?
Yeah, man.
Doing like it's not even good. We're just
Thomas.
gonna get a free foul every
Like
time we go to throw.
Friday. Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right? Like
Number 2.
you run a zone with that as your mark. Like,
Yeah, maybe you should done. Lou's gonna pull
just one of those. Are you comfortable handling the camera, Zane, or should I?
you. Because I don't. I'll help Jake with this. I don't want to give him. Have him giving anyone any extra time.
Can't have that.
Do you figure out how to undo this stuff?
Yeah, I know how to.
So the big red.
There's a big red button that I found.
Also, do you have the charger cord for this?
Nope.
Nice, let's go!
Do we have a spare battery?
Let's go, White! Pressure now, let's go!
I would guess no.
Oh wait, this is Loop's, not yours.
Thomas!
Yeah.
He needs another 6 in his number of the beast.
Who's that?
Thomas, under! Around!
Two!
What's the around?
Two in!
Layout time number 2.
Nice.
Loop's cut it off first.
Lubes you to Jordan.
Why are we? Narrow lane every time. Tight throws.
They got a little irritated.
No, I mean just like we've turned that throw 5 times tonight already.
Yeah?
Not this game, but like. Nice pick off, Loops.
Lou, don't worry, I marked that as a drop for you, not as you.
A
turn from them, and then a drop from me, and then another turn from them.
Nothing but height
Don't worry
last
about
week.
it,
It was
I got
about
you.
60 miles in 6 days.
There we go, Blue. Running? We're driving.
No.
You have to handle.
Took away the one that I had.
You were gonna get. No, I mean, I was gonna lay out.
Okay.
But by all means.
It's like a little kid.
It was close, I was tight on. Yeah, see, that was good defense. At first I was like, no, it's good.
We showed they didn't get anything that they wanted.
But I saw Luke. Don't worry, I just told Luke I saw you guys. Two great
Throwaway, cutting for like and then another throwaway. Here we go, Blue. I can throw to Thomas. That would have been fun. He's staying piss off. Oh man.
Luke with the pull. It's in.
What? 8.8. It slid out, dude.
Yeah.
No,
it did not.
No, it did not.
God damn it, Pistol, keep it on the sideline.
He is.
No around, no under, no under.
Watch over, watch over.
No rounds, no rounds.
Straight up.
Yes!
Yeah, Luke!
Finish it.
It only counts as one.
Here we go, Blue.
Why didn't you throw that?
Sorry.
Hell yeah, Luke.
Abby, back under your.
Nate, next time
Nice,
you play,
Robbie.
I'm gonna give Nate, like,
Keep up, let's get more cuts, more cuts.
Oh!
Make sure you're zooming
That's
on
good,
those
Luke.
layouts. Up top.
Here you go, Blue.
Left or right?
Waffles, turn your hat backwards now. You're on defense.
I have no clue.
I think it's that way.
You can test it real quick now.
I'm just saying, not everybody.
Yeah, it's towards the tee.
lot. I was expecting you to do it.
Over. Matthias?
Hard under, hard.
Yeah. You can get all three hands.
All under, Robbie. All under. Io. Nice. Stay with him. Nice, Robbie. Good job, Robbie.
Beautiful, Jake. Jake coming back in a second.
In.
Luke, tighten up, please. Luke, tighten up.
Strike there.
Stay with him, Waffles. Stay with him.
Waffles.
All Io. Let's keep Jake.
Nothing. Hard in.
Matthias, it's one.
Keep it there, Matthias. Go around.
No round. 5,
Io.
6.
Io.
Emily, get alive.
Around. Io.
Get to that jumper.
That's that bid we talked about.
Yeah, where was it?
Use it on the offense.
Oh,
I would give it to. Yeah, but the other one was slower. Yeah. It could have touched the draft, but I thought it was off the field. Well, no, exactly. It looked. I mean. I really have to go 8, 9, 10. Like, it has to be. I was guessing. To get it. You had a better perspective.
Yeah.
Tape it.
Whatever adrenaline I have more.
Okay, cool.
Well, you're right. I probably should be doing that for a while.
Probably know this. You had that. Oh, okay.
Almost there. A few more points. 2.5 points.
Start there. Odd. 3-2. We have to be up.
Are we keeping score?
3-2.
At least you didn't go away for
Hey, White, we're solid.
Hey guys, let's make sure we're talking to people beyond just the mark. We had like 3 people talking to Matthias.
Here we go, Blue.
Nobody talking announcer.
down there. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
All the way, Gossi, all the way.
Two.
Easy.
And you're wide open. Don't go away. Jordan, next.
Go to her. Jordan.
That was already past. Sorry, Luke.
No.
Yes?
It worked, but you can't tell me that was the right throw.
2, why are you giving up?
Let's go, Blue.
Yeah. Yeah. Thomas, live. Can we not give free resets? Thomas.
It's right. Leave it.
Could have gotten credit for that, Amanda, if you went over and tapped it.
Right about there. You're on the sideline now.
2 inches forward.
Too far. Sidelines.
Stack, move it closer, Stack.
Hey, what's the force?
His wife doesn't let him stand that close to women.
Home.
2, 3,
Guys,
4.
right away. Right away.
Yeah, Gossi.
Those guys need to break throw. Just so it's caught on video.
And that's a great cut. I don't know why I didn't throw to you. Go out. Just go out. And go.
Yeah, 2.
2. Fucking stop throwing turnovers.
Hey, Chili, Blue Chili.
Are there subtitles?
Probably.
Under. Hey, look at Chad.
Yeah, like,
It's around, Jordan. Jordan, around. I lied.
It's downfield.
Gauzy.
Let them throw that.
Come on, Thomas. Up.
come on, get on your horse.
Turn.
That's all right, get it back.
Turn. Time it, Tim.
Yeah, I mean, when we tied last week, we were missing Yumi, Luke. So.
Come on, Aaron.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, stay with her, Erica. Stay with her. That's it, Erica.
Let me guess, that's a drop too?
Hey, let him set up.
No, that's a layout.
I would say, yeah.
Oh, so now we're...
Yeah, loops, deep loops, all the way loops. That one's pretty subjective.
No, I know, I was being a dick. I'm
Some
sorry.
of the other ones.
Be around, Thomas.
Jordan.
2. Is that a saying?
Yes, inverse.
High five, right? Like our hand was out and it went forward.
I've noticed a little cut in all your steps.
Good cuts, Thomas. Got another one, Blue. No, every time I make a good terrible throw like that, I got my eyes off the center.
That's not the issue with your throw.
I didn't
want to give it away, right?
Doesn't matter.
I think this game is going to get uploaded muted.
It was a little diagonal, but you come out here like that and throw it.
Add a soundtrack.
It's so much easier because they're gonna.
That's what Nate V did to all the bank stuff. Because in all the clips, he's like, why the fuck did he throw? Hey, good throw! Matthias, just send it to Robbie. Robbie, just go. Go deep. Oh my God!
You got Jake. Nice aim.
Oh!
Just fucking send it.
On Rain.
Zane, get out. Now, Ann.
Okay,
And go.
Josh looking, Josh, you're hot, Josh.
Dirty.
He's 36.
Keep going, Jake.
Let's go, Shed. Woo!
Jay caught that anyway, but the sideline started walking in front of me.
I didn't think he was gonna do anything. I thought he was like, oh. I was just saying, I was too old to slow to get close to the ground.
Here you go, Blue.
Nice job, boy. Nice job.
Abby, you in?
He is. Jake. Be a girl. Be a girl.
Back to score? Shed hit that. Probably. Yeah. Shed beat that.
Yeah.
He did. He just needed to float further out.
Yeah.
It came up short.
I thought at first Jake hit up and then I realized it was just reading.
Let's go, Rain!
Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, like he stopped running because Shed undercut him and it came down short. It should have been further back there, but I couldn't tell if he was going up or not. I didn't want to throw it off the back.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
It should have been a better throw towards the back of the end zone. That's cool, man. Or not thrown at all. Either one of those options.
That'll do it.
Yeah, Rain!
Started breaking her away and I thought he was going to run for it, but then he slowed down. Yeah. So like, that's all.
Shed undercut him and got it.
Come on, Matthias, step up.
Watch the income, Matthias.
Loops, it's crossing, Loops.
Hey, that's you!
Jake, really?
You like it? Okay. Yeah, here we go, Blue!
I can't cover a sprint from the handle spot.
Yep, I realized after I cursed you out on the camera.
Huh?
I realized after I cursed you out on the camera.
Did you?
Where your cut had come from. So.
Yeah. Is that a handle cut?
Yeah. That's fine. It's fine. If no one...
Should I just not play? Like if I can't cover that, do I just sit?
No, keep playing. You're a wonderful asset for us on the field. And you're great at covering other stuff.
If you see it coming, just call for help.
Right.
There was no one.
There was no one.
When I turned, there was no one.
He had a really good angle. So.
It was an empty field.
So we've already made corrections elsewhere. We'll get some pressure on the help, or pressure help on the mark. That way it at least comes out to the side and gives you a chance to get back there for a jump ball. Right? Or makes it a higher blade, better chance. We're right in this.
It was a shittier throw.
Right, exactly. That's why I'm saying don't sub yourself out just because that.
White!
And, you know, if you guys keep blocking. Recognize! Oh, just send that. Please just send that.
Come on! Yeah.
I don't know why he throws that after it's open for 4 seconds. Throw it initially or don't throw it.
Way!
Here's the turn. Robbie, hard, Robbie.
Deep, Robbie!
All the way
Thomas, straight up! Yeah, Robbie!
D, Robbie!
Hell yeah, Robbie!
Nice!
Abby.
That's how I should have waited for his man.
Guys, it's soon! Soon!
Thomas.
Hey, get your spots.
Soon! Get on the first!
Pinch in. You want me to lift it?
Yeah, you're on.
Thomas, just walk.
Take space now, guys.
Harris, pinch middle.
There you go, good spacing. Right there.
Robbie, go left. There's that space for you. See, right there? Yeah.
You got one, yeah, right, you got it. Get out, get out. You're okay, don't close down.
Robbie, look at it.
Waffles, you're here. No around, no around.
Rob.
Back out of the end zone.
Why isn't?
Let's go, Blue! There we go, Blue. What the?
There's all that space. Like Waffles catches that, like up over there, and you gain 25. Difference of space. Yep, you got this. Abby, way to stretch into your space, right? If the deeps don't cover you, we're going to throw it.
Here we go, Blue.
Wish that first throw had come up earlier.
Yeah, all about the mismatch. Mismatch Monday.
Come on, White, get it back. Let's go, Blue.
Zane, can you put your phone down and come talk to me?
Yep.
Saw it. Wasn't shady at all. And then I saw you zoom in.
Ray, how do you feel about them protesting Donald Trump in the UK?
I feel like it's just what you needed.
Get down there, Blue.
There you go, Blue. All right.
Maybe if they would have won, they wouldn't be protesting.
Ray,
They'd be too busy partying.
dick off.
That was a great upset.
Hey, Jordan.
Billy, drop.
Relax.
Let's go, Blue.
He's on him!
Let's go.
Steve, Thomas, Steve! Catch up!
Yeah, Thomas!
Nice cut, Bill.
Look, Josh, he's touched.
Catch up, Thomas! Up!
Hey, good idea, Bill.
Yeah. Thomas just like outruns the guy.
There we go, Blue.
He's like, yeah, I'm beaten. Guess we have a lot more fuel on. We need to keep playing harder around them. Yeah. You know, not giving them anything. You have numbers and speed. You're taller than him, Jordan.
Youth.
Sorry?
Youth, according to Waffles.
What?
He said that we have youth. So,
We do.
let's see.
Okay, coming left.
Don't stop, Thomas.
Is that lefty? Thomas.
Good, yeah.
Relax. Thomas, relax. Relax.
Wait, who started with that?
Great D!
He got in his way. He couldn't go that way.
Let's give Thomas the ball away.
Away!
No, you got
Yeah, stay with him, Thomas.
all under, Thomas. Thomas, all under.
Sam.
Get right. I wasn't talking about it. Inside. Jordan, that's a bid next time.
He probably didn't have to.
Nice.
Gazi, that's an around. No free.
Around.
Gazi, that's an around. Come on.
One.
Center it.
It's all inside. It's all
Yours, Jordan. Nice! Sorry,
Way to go, Uphill. Way to go, up.
Nice camouflage short, Jordan.
Yep.
Hand interior.
Hey, you can pitch. Right. Nice, Manda.
Matthias, wake up. Find space, guys.
Come on, Gazi.
Matthias, get ready.
Shad, drop a little bit.
Thomas, right hard.
Pick up that man in the middle. Yeah, pick him up. Yeah,
One right behind you, Shad.
Leave him.
Oh, foul.
That throwaway?
Foul.
On your right, left, you mean.
Hey, Ann and Jordan, you're letting one person guard two of you. That gives them an advantage close to the disc.
And over here, Ann.
You got time.
Thomas,
You got Ann.
Thank you.
Try, up!
Sam. Fly call.
Go, Matthias.
Thomas up. Friendly suggestion.
Yeah, my recommendation is drop the foot last time.
Reset.
Watch the rounds.
Come on, man. Oh, okay.
I might not get it in the point.
Oh, yeah.
Keep digging, Blue. We got it.
Hey, everyone's on the field. Come in and huddle up.
What's up?
Ann has a few words. We're talking.
Oh, okay. I thought you said everybody. I was like,
Everybody was on the field.
Grab some water if you need it, and then come huddle. Go, Randy. On the chairs.
All right, everybody who wasn't on the field
Cheer.
and isn't going on the field.
hey,
There we go, Blue.
over there more.
It's kind of the same. It doesn't really change too much.
What's up?
Was it T-Sin?
I called him out. I thought he was out. I should have kept my mouth shut, but he looked pretty out to me. But
I'm not that close to see.
But admittedly, I'm here looking right there type deal.
Yeah.
And I have water here, and I haven't done an
Here we go, Blue.
outro.
don't need to rush throw.
It just didn't work out.
Right? We have all the time in the world. They're not pressuring any of our throws. It's just to read through them away. I can go in there with fears. You do the ones that both of those were ill-advised. I just
All right, Smurf!
we don't need
You got Luke? Zane, you have Luke. Luke, don't go towards your defender there.
That's right, pitch in. Catching. Good job, Lenny. Yeah, Doc. Good idea. Drop.
Yeah, nice D dodge. Great D dodge.
You have Luke. You have Luke.
Hey, nice going, guys.
Yeah, Doc. Oh, so close.
Hey, no easy.
You have a throwing lane, but you're trying to flood one person.
Gotta go red.
Can we stop throwing?
Hey, nice and easy. Let's go, Blue.
Wait. Set up cutters. Got Lenny. See Lenny right away.
Drop him.
Here we go, Blue.
Luke. Loops, go.
Deep. Yeah, Harris. You can get out of bounds.
Did he touch it?
He did.
Did he touch it?
He definitely did.
I don't think it matters. He's out of bounds.
No, it does. It definitely does
It-
matter. Yeah, you can't
Yes.
make a play on the disc from having been out of bounds.
No, he can. It just changes the location where the disc comes in.
So there's two things. If he doesn't touch it, it comes in where it went out.
Injury.
Where he touched it.
Does anyone on white need one?
Yeah. So like, if he just lets it sit there, it probably comes up like 10 yards upfield.
Wherever it went out, yeah. Which might have been more than 10 in that case. Wait. Shit.
You want to be a target. So if you're standing with the deep, you're doing not go risk, right? You want to be a target, so you're going to want to
Lubes, help yourself. Matthias, can you dig through Lubes' camera bag and find me a charger?
but don't just hang out with the deep.
All inside!
Specifically when we break, like we did there, when we break it, don't run away.
Robbie!
Nice read. Hey, Pistone, you have a timeout.
Lubes!
Away!
Up! Abby!
Yeah, Ray!
Don't catch that. I mean, he's thrown 6 turnovers and no passes. There's a completion.
That's impressive.
The outlet. Yeah,
I don't
there's
know.
a guy on my other summer league.
Hard mark, Lexi, hard mark!
6 turnovers, no passes.
Nice job, Ray.
Maybe here?
Get it off the sideline.
Let me see.
Is this
This is
yeah,
right.
can you plug it in? I'm trying to focus still on doing this.
Open for 10 yards.
I thought the hammer was being dropped.
Cannot be written.
I'll be honest.
I don't know what I would score it as.
Hey, this is it actually.
Lubes is not known to.
Battery?
Hey, did you touch it?
I think this is the battery.
That's not the right plug-in.
It's not.
Throw away.
Yes, it is.
There you go,
Up line.
You're right, it's not. Hold on. There are a lot of things.
Okay.
I'll get back to you.
Last cut, last back.
Wait. It might be the right thing. It is over here.
Still lose, last back. Yeah, Abby.
Nice job,
Ab. You got massive arms. Oh, pick up. Split him.
Oh, this is dead. Son of a bitch. All right. Hey, somebody come bring me the charge pack.
Inside.
I have the battery right here. It's dead. Whatever this is.
Did he catch it?
Yes. I'm gonna need this, and then this in here with this 1-inch cable.
Hey, Murray. You don't have to, but you have one if we're tired.
Let me see. Yeah,
It is 6'5".
You guys?
Us.
I thought you were talking about
Ooh.
Nope, never mind. Find the spare battery. This isn't working for